For this example, we want to find the equation of the ellipse, and we want to graph that equation using some facts about the ellipse. We have a center at 0, 0, a focus at 15, 0, and a vertex at -17, 0. So what I like to do first is to try to figure out whether my ellipse has a horizontal major axis or a vertical major axis. This is the orientation of the ellipse. So when you have a horizontal orientation, your ellipse will be longer horizontally and all the major features will fall in line horizontally. When you have a vertical major axis, your ellipse will be longer vertically and all of those major features will line up vertically. So I'll do a quick sketch of what I have here. I have a center at 0, 0, a focus at 15, 0, and a vertex at -17, 0. And because these points are all lined up horizontally, I know that this ellipse has a horizontal major axis, is oriented horizontally. So all of these points are lined up horizontally. So I know that my major axis is horizontal. So in order to find that equation, I need to find the center, HK, which was already given to me. I need to find A. A is the distance between the center and the vertex. So I have the center and I have the vertex. So I already know that A is 17. I need to know B, that B is the distance between the center and the minor axis. So it goes, instead of horizontally, it's going to go vertically, and I don't have that information. But I do have information about C. C is the distance between the center and the focus. So I have the center and I have the focus, so I know that C is 15. And I can use this equation to figure out the value of B, my missing information. So B squared plus C squared is A squared. B squared plus 15 squared is equal to 17 squared. So 15 squared, I think, is 225. And 17 squared is 289. I'll subtract 225 from both sides and get 64 equals B squared. So that means B is 8. So now I have all of the information to fill in the equation of my ellipse. It's x minus 0 squared over 17 squared plus y minus 0 squared over 8 squared equals 1. We'll do a little cleaning up and get x squared over 289 plus y squared over 64 equals 1. So we have the equation of our ellipse, and let's take a moment to sketch the graph of this ellipse. So I have a blank graph over here. And I'm going to count by fives instead of doing all the tick marks here. So horizontally, I'm going to go 5, 10, 15. And vertically, we'll do 5, 10, 15, 20. So I have my center at 0, 0. I have a vertex at negative 17 and positive 17. So this is 15, 16, 17 would be about here. Then because B is 8, I'm going to go vertically 8, so just below the 10. And we can sketch the graph of our ellipse using those points.
Thank you for checking out my videos. Have a great day.